Can you believe it? It's the last day of spring. Summer starts tomorrow, and it certainly feels summery, at least to start. Temperatures are much warmer than average. As we're overlooking the capital city, we do have some locally dense fog. And in Providence, visibility is down. In fact, we're finding it down just about everywhere. Newport, we're at 1/4 of a mile. At TF Green at the airport, we're down to a mile. We also have 3/4 of a mile visibility in Westerly, which is actually an improvement over where it was just a little while ago. So the deal is visibilities are going to fluctuate till about, say, 9 o'clock. Then we should dissipate this fog. And then we work on breaking up any clouds and increasing the sunshine. So as we have these temperatures that are already very warm for us this time of year, we're going to combine it with increasing sunshine and a warm southwesterly wind. All these things are going to come together to give us a very warm day. We'll likely hit 80 at the beaches, but in the interior, we could top out near 90 degrees. Up close, we don't have a whole lot to show you. We do have the low-level clouds, of course, in place, that locally dense fog. And as we go through the day, we're going to watch for the approach of a cool front from the west. Now, the cool front is expected to bring showers and thunderstorms till right about here. After that, our marine layer is expected to keep us essentially insulated. But out of an abundance of caution, there is a slight chance that an isolated shower or thunderstorm could sneak through. If that happens, any thunderstorms we happen to make have the potential of generating severe weather, i.e. damaging gusty winds, or even the potential of seeing some hail. But the folks here in the zone here, this is a more elevated, enhanced risk of severe weather. They have the potential right on down through the mid-Atlantic of even seeing some tornadoes in there as well. So highs today topping out well into the 80s, even into the lower 90s in our warmer spots. But when you combine that with the humidity we're expecting, dew points that should come up to 70, it means we could see feel-like temperatures or heat index temperatures of 95 to 100. So that's why we have the heat advisory that has been issued for the areas shaded in orange, mainly the interior, where we are expected to see that rapid warm-up. So basically, once that goes into effect, we see the heat advisory get hoisted. It does kick in the list of the high heat tips. So limit outdoor activities, drink plenty of water, seek air conditioning if you are particularly sensitive to high heat, high humidity. Check in on your elderly friends, relatives, and neighbors. They would love to see you anyway. Don't leave your kids or your pets in the car, and check the pavement before walking the dog. Might be a grass-only trip out to do the business, you know. Anyway, slow clearing today, hot and humid. Temperatures topping out near 90 in the interior. We'll see 80 at the beaches. Meanwhile, as we go to tonight, an isolated thunderstorm or shower is possible, not really likely. But again, out of an abundance of caution, just wanted to give you a heads up. Look for temperatures ultimately dropping to 67 to start tomorrow. So this is a cold front coming through, and temperatures will be cooler as a result. We'll top out in the 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as we go into next week, temperatures will be creeping up into the 90s. Not only that, but just like today, with the humidity, it will feel even hotter. And you will notice there are 3 days of 90 or 90 plus. That means we could also be looking at a heat wave in the first few days of the start of the summer season. Cara?
You know, to answer your question that you asked at the start of your forecast, it is hard to believe that half the year is already behind us and we're looking at 97-degree temperatures. My goodness, what a glorious time it is. 6:51 is your